guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for showing up. Today I'm going to be talking about how easy it was for me to switch over from my Chase Sapphire Preferred to the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. The switch from my Preferred to the Reserve card literally took me 5 minutes. So what I did exactly was I called Chase customer service. I asked them if I was eligible to switch over from the Preserve to the Reserve card. They double checked for me and I was eligible. She asked me if I agreed to make the switch over and I did agree. The switch was super easy, and even though I didn't physically have the Reserve card with me, every time I did swipe my Preferred card, I was getting the Reserve points. Now how does this work? Chase doesn't want you to be missing out on your triple points. So even though that you don't physically have the Reserve card on you, they make sure that you are receiving the triple points. The moment I did log into my Chase app, the little card icon that was there had the Reserve status for me already. Now the card took about a week to ship over to my house, but the moment I did get my card, I went on chase.com/verify card and I verified that I did receive the card. I was now a Reserve card holder. Now I know a lot of you guys are probably asking, what happens to your Preferred card? Well, first of all, my Preferred card is right over here. I still have it, but if I try to use this card at a store, it will not work. I know a lot of people are a little bit intimidated about the annual fee for the Reserve card. Trust me, I was too. But let me tell you the secrets behind the $450 annual fee. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred card has an annual fee of $95 per year after the first year. The Chase Sapphire Reserve card has $450 annual fee, and I know that sounds a little intimidating, but let me tell you why it's not. Chase automatically gives you $300 worth of travel credit. If you subtract the $300 from the $450, you're only paying a $150 annual fee for the Reserve card. In addition to that, you are also getting triple the points. Now, if you think about it, the Preferred card is $95. The Reserve card, you're paying $150. You're only paying $55 more than the Preferred card, and you're also receiving triple the points. You are actually missing out on more credit card point opportunities by not switching over to the Reserve card. I am recording this video in August. I received my Reserve card in July. I actually have up until December 31st to redeem $300 worth of travel credit, and then it restarts January 1st. Everybody actually has the same amount of travel credit at the beginning of each year. So if you are watching this video on December 20th, you only have 11 days until your credit restarts. Now, if you are watching this in August and you are eligible to upgrade your Preferred to Reserve card, you're probably going to use your $300 credit before the year ends. Well, a lot of you guys are probably also asking, how do you redeem for the $300? Chase actually automatically redeems that amount of money for you. So the other day, I bought a bus ticket for $10 and Chase automatically refunded me that $10 back. I didn't have to do anything, but if you look at your most recent transactions, you'll see your transaction, and then on a line item on top of that, you'll also see your refund in the color red. So you don't have to worry about redeeming that travel credit. Chase will automatically do that for you. So use your travel credit wisely. I personally thought that the $300 travel credit was going to live in your portal and you redeemed it whenever. That is not the case. Because I want to use the $300 worth of travel for flights, every time I do buy bus or train ticket, I'm actually using a different credit card because I don't want to redeem my points so quickly. That's a little trick that I do if you want to save your $300 of travel credit specifically for flights. Another thing that a lot of people don't know is that once you do make your switch from the Chase Sapphire Preferred to the Reserve card, you're actually not eligible to refer anyone for a Chase Sapphire card and also receive referral points. Now, in my other video, when I talked about how to travel often with a 9-to-5 job, I talked about how I referred 2 of my friends and I received 15,000 points for each person I referred. So I received an additional 30,000 points with my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. But a lot of people have actually been reaching out to me that my referral link is not working. I found out through the process that once you do switch over your preferred to reserve card, I'm actually not eligible to receive any additional referral points. In my personal opinion, I think that because the referral card has so many benefits, I'm not eligible to receive any additional referral points anymore. So if you look back into my old video, I actually replaced those links with a different link because I am actually not eligible to receive any more referral points anymore. If you have the preferred card and you've been referring a lot of people and you still want to have those additional points coming in, I would just be aware of that. So I hope I answered some of the questions that you guys had and you found some type of value from switching over your preferred to the reserve card. So I just realized after I recorded the video, I left a few parts out. Hence the reason why my hair is up and I have a different outfit on. I literally just came back from the gym. But these are also important tips I don't want you guys to be missing out on. In terms of the bonuses, you're actually only eligible to receive that huge incentive bonus once every 2 years. And this huge incentive bonus does actually change depending on the offers that Chase comes out with. But when I signed up for my Chase Sapphire Preferred card, I received 50,000 points. I believe right now, Chase offers the 60,000 points. Another tip that if you do want to receive the huge incentive bonus again is after the 2-year mark, let's just say, for example, you do have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, you could actually do a product change preferred card to a Freedom card and then reapply for another Sapphire card and receive the huge incentive points. And let's also just say that if you do have any of the Sapphire cards and you're not actively using it and you feel like the annual fee is not worth it for you, I would simply just do a product change to the Chase Unlimited cards. So if you feel like you're not receiving any expected value back from any of the Sapphire cards, you can request for a product change to any Freedom card. And I just want to make it clear that those two cards are actually different. And what I mean by not receiving any positive expected value back, that simply means that you aren't getting more than the annual fee in points back. So I hope you found some type of value from my video. I hope I was able to clear the air and answer a lot of the questions that you guys had prior to registering for any of the Sapphire cards. And if I sold you set on this and you do want to register for the card right now, don't forget to use my link down below. And the link includes any of the Chase Sapphire Preferred reserve cards or the Chase Freedom and the Chase Freedom Unlimited cards. And if you're really serious about learning more and you want to book an appointment with a consultant, I've linked one of my consultants down below. Don't forget to check him out. They are credit card experts and I'm excited for you to start racking up your points and use your points for travel. Thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.